In cities across Pakistan, a new wave of innovation is sweeping through the streets. A silent revolution is illuminating the streets, transforming the way we light up our urban spaces. These new systems are smarter, greener, and more efficient than ever before. AbiTechTure's standalone smart street lighting system brings full automation, a leap forward in urban technology, zero internet dependency and zero new infrastructure cost. This means no more worrying about extra expenses, connectivity issues, or manual adjustments. Just imagine, our smart device installed in your streetlight power distribution box within minutes. And from that moment on, your streetlights become smart. Turn on at sunset and off at sunrise, all automatically. Connect to our smart device using its built-in Wi-Fi and configure everything through a simple mobile app. With our mobile app configuration like smart scheduling, custom time adjustments, managing your street lighting has never been easier. Just a tap away and you have full control. Fully offline, no internet required. This ensures that the system is always reliable regardless of internet connectivity. From sunrise to sunset, the system adapts automatically. It's like having an intelligent assistant managing your streetlights. Power when you need it, ensuring safety and visibility, savings when you don't. It's not just about conserving energy, it's about transforming how cities save money. In a recent case study, a housing society in Rawalpindi discovered that our smart street light automation system could save them up to $415 million annually. AbiTechTure is not just about smart lighting system, it's about smart savings and sustainability. Enforce uniform lighting policies, cut electricity bills from day one, reduce maintenance costs, and streamline operations. Deliver measurable environmental impact. By reducing the carbon footprint, we contribute to a healthier planet. All while being 100% automated and 100% reliable. This is the future of urban lighting. The best part? It's quick and effortless to deploy. No lengthy installations or complicated setups, deployed in few days. Imagine transforming your city's lighting in just a month. Pays for itself in days, not months. No internet, no infrastructure overhaul. It's a cost-effective solution that brings immediate benefits. Picture this, a city that lights itself, from Rawalpindi to Karachi, Quetta to Lahore, without lifting a finger. Smart, automated, and always on time. AbiTechTure, powering Pakistan's next generation of smart, sustainable cities. Join the revolution and be a part of this transformative journey. Call or WhatsApp us at 0331-128-4440 to schedule your demo today. Experience the future of street lighting, simple, smart, and sustainable.